Apple just released iOS 16.4 for their iPhone devices. What's new in it? Let's dig in. First, they include 21 new emojis with the cool blue heart and pink heart. Now, secondly, now you are able to get a notification for your website shortcuts. Now you can add the website to your home screen and you are able to get a notification. Next update is about Apple Music. Now in Apple Music app, you will get the separate profile icon and you can click on it. You can manage your libraries and you can manage your payments as well. Next update is associated with the Apple warranty. Now you can check Apple warranty straight away from your phone. For this, go to settings, scroll down, go to general, go to about and go to coverage. Click on coverage. Now you can see your all device coverage from here. Next update is about how you can enroll yourself as a developer of iPhone beta test. Now you go to software update and there is an option you can choose as a iOS 16 developer beta or public beta as well. Next update is for iPhone 14 Pro Max user. Now you can add always on display to your shortcuts and you can easily use always on display anytime you want from directly from the shortcut apps. Next update is associated with the iBook. Now if you are reading any book in iBook application, when you are turning the page, very cool animation pops up like this. It's look very cool and very satisfying as well. Next update with the Apple Podcast app. Now you can browse and you can add your libraries as well to the podcast app and with the new look of broadcast app. Next big update is voice isolation. Before it was only working with FaceTime and some specific apps. Now it works with the regular calls as well. For this, just click on the mic during the call and click on the isolation. So all the background noise will be removed while calling. In addition, Apple added 5G support for the Turkish user and also added the HomeKit architecture upgrade as well. If you like this video, do follow me and make sure to like, share and subscribe.